Hello there, YouTube. Here's a cool idea that I wanted to share with the world. And of course, you probably have seen many of these videos and you've thought of ideas on how to install these garden lights. You probably even search on Pinterest and try to find ways of using them in different ways. Um, I've seen different people use wire, that metal wire to connect it from one side to the other. And it's quite a tedious process because you have to use certain hooks and etc. But this is what I did with my backyard. I pretty much installed them on my fence, and I also installed it obviously on the side of my house. And as you can see, it doesn't look bad, you know. And so I'm gonna do a quick zoom out right now. And I know some of you are like, you're going too fast. And so there you go, that's a quick zoom out. And it looks rather nice. So one of the things I do want to say about this though, those of you who are concerned with this overheating and maybe burning the wood, well, they sell these at Costco. And these are actually LED lights. And it has a LED filament. You can't really see it. But this is and it's actually, this is plastic and this isn't glass, so it's not gonna break if it's a windy night. And one of the things, this is one of the reasons why I like this. And actually you can connect a lot more of these string lights if they are LED versus if they were those fluorescent lights, right? That type of filament, a lot more wattage. This is less. One of the things that I did, so it won't heat up because of that. One of the things that I did is that I connected it with these eye hooks, and I used these types of connections. I will include all these things on the link below or on the description. But one of the reasons why I'm using this is because if I want to remove it, instead of, there's some people who screw these in, and so you're gonna have to unscrew it and you're gonna be making holes, and it's gonna be, I don't know, it's just, you can mess things up. And so one of the things that I do, if I want to remove it, if it gets rusted, I just remove this and replace it with the new one. And I actually was able to find these on Amazon. But as you can see, it looks pretty nice, you know. And as you can see, I have it near my fruit tree. But like I said, it won't heat up. It's LED, and I would say it's safe. And as you can see, I did it every other hook. I mean, you can do different things, but one of the things that you have to bear in mind is that if you have them too long of a distance, it's gonna rip. And I've had some issues in the past with having it go from, I tried to install it from here all the way to my pergola. And so what ended up happening, that the rubber hole ended up ripping. And so you need to try to keep that distance, otherwise you're gonna have to worry about using a wire, what they call a metal wire. Anyway, just thought I wanted to share it with the world. I hope you like it.